HEOL. HEOL. What does this expression mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word HEOL. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 247. HEOL. This is pronounced as one syllable word. Pronounce it with me. HEOL. HEOL. The Korean word HEOL is considered a Korean slang, and this is used to express shock, surprise, and or sarcasm. The usual counterpart of the word HEOL in English is saying no way or saying oh goodness. Since this is a Korean slang, this is considered informal, meaning we can only use it to people close to us. How do we write HEOL in Hangul? This is composed of just 3 characters. The first one is a HEOL character. It is followed by an O character, and the last one is a real character. We just need to combine these 3 characters to form the Hangul of the word or the expression HEOL. Again, HEOL plus O plus real is HEOL. And with that, you've just learned HEOL. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. Our previous 10 words are words number 237 to 246. Don't forget our word for the day, word number 247, HEOL, and this is used to express shock, surprise, or sarcasm. Word number 246 is 그랬어, and this is used to say so. Word number 245 is 아름다운. This is an adjective which means beautiful. Word number 244 is 나쁜. This is another adjective which means bad. Word number 243 is 멀리. This is another adjective which means far. Word number 242 is 작은, which means small. Word number 241 is 큰, which means big. Word number 240 is 있다, which is used to say that something is located at a certain place or that something exists. Word number 239 is 소년, which means boy. Word number 238 is 소녀, which means girl. And the last for our review, word number 237 is 말, which means word or speech. This is also the Korean word for the animal horse. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.